Welcome everybody. I'm going to give you a quick OKX platform walkthrough of some of the functions I think are pretty spectacular and makes OKX stand apart from some of its rivals. Starting first of all with how you can deposit fiat into your exchange account. I love this. It's such a great feature. I'll show you why. If I want to put in $500 into USDT, I hit that. I can put my details in, it gives me the quote, yada yada. That's the simple part, very, very easy to do. But here's the thing that I like. If I want to do a one-time purchase, I can click that nice and easy. However, what if I want a dollar cost average? Well, OKX has the perfect option for that, where you can put in how often. Maybe it's on your paycheck day when your money hits the bank. I don't know, but you can dollar cost average easily here with OKX. When we get to the actual platform, I want to show you a couple of things. First and foremost, of course, we do have a spot platform, and you can see through here all of the different pairs that we can work and trade when it comes to spot. We hit this list right here, nice and easy. That's what I love about it. Really simple spot to find this. And what it shows you, of course, is the list that OKX has. Hundreds of different cryptos here, as you can see. It doesn't just list those, it lists the high of 24 hours, the low of 24 hours, as well as the volume. For those of you who wish to be privy to the size of volume going through OKX for your own trading, this is a very handy place to be. I'll show you the futures bit in a second. Why? Well, when I trade, I tend to trade both spot and futures, but I prefer futures trading or perpetual swaps. Now, this is a really very, very key factor when it comes to my trading, is to be able to find the trades that you want to be taking or stalking those pairs for trading opportunities, but you want to make sure there's enough liquidity on the platform you're trading. Well, with OKX, you can see it down here, the 24-hour turnover. Okay, so this is obviously in the actual crypto itself, and then there's a monetary value to it. So let's say that I want to trade, well, we know we can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, that's always got pretty good liquidity. But let's say something like AGLD. This one's only got 1 million here. So that one, might look at that and go, okay, 1 million's probably enough, but I might not have as big a position on that because there's not quite so much liquidity. That way I can avoid any slippage. But as you can see through here, it's not until you get, well, to be fair, as we go lower through, we can still see plenty of volume. It's when we see something that's sort of under 1 million, that's the time that I might just step back from that. Spot, fine, no problems. But when it comes to futures trading, we don't want that slippage, and to have a very easy place to work out the turnover here on the OKX platform, it makes it much, much, much easier for us. Now, I want to take you over to Grow, because this is an exciting area of the OKX platform that I hadn't really paid too much attention to until recently. And the reason being is because I have stablecoins. I have stablecoins because I take profits when the market goes up, and I look to re-engage those back into the market at a specific point in time where I'm looking to be buying at the lowest possible price to take advantage of the next bull run. Now, if I come into this simple one here, savings, underneath your Grow tab, I've clicked on savings. What I can do with my stable coins whilst I wait for the market to pull back to a place where I'm willing to put money back in, I can come into here, and it's a low risk flexible term contract whereby I'm looking at an APY of 10% here on USDT and USDC. Now, of course, you can still put in your savings, your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. But for me, it's really about the safest place or the lowest risk place to get myself a return from my stable coins, as that's the biggest portfolio I have at the moment. So it's a simple matter of picking whether it be USDC or USDC. You come in here, you put in the amount that you're looking to put in, dollar-wise. You can put in your maximum amount, you can do all of that sort of stuff, and you just simply go through this, and it will show you when the interest will be paid and how it will be paid as well. So that's a very simple way to get 10% per annum estimated APY on your stable coins. I love that, of course. Then we've got all these little tabs above here, and staking. I can stake my coins in here with an estimated APY of whatever it says down this column, and you can see the term of lockup for that particular crypto that you're holding. And of course, you can go down here and find whatever it is that you might be holding. Well, you can send it over to the OKX platform, stake it, and get yourself a nice little return on that as well. Just making it really, really simple and easy to use. Now, for those that wish to trade, well, let me take you straight over there right now. We're going to go to perpetual swaps. So under the 1 platform we can have the savings for our low risk stable coins. We can stake the coins that we hold. We can generate income as we go, and when we want to trade, we come into here and we can choose a number of these perpetual contracts for which we wish to trade. A very simple platform whereby I can choose the time frame that I'm looking to trade from, and as you can see, all the different intervals here. If it's not listed there, hit this little drop down and you will find what it is that you are looking for. A very simple platform whereby, again, you can just put your funds into that trading account and trade away until your heart is content. And now what I'm going to show you is exactly how you can just so quickly and easily convert from your spot account into your trading account to get going. So let's do that now. Transfer is all I need to click. Boom, done. From US, I'm putting US dollar tether, that's fine. Funding account, yep, I want to do that. Into my trading account, yep, I want to do that. I'm just going to do 4,000 and I'll show you how quick and easy this actually is to be trading instantly. Transfer completed, job done. Now when I go back to my trading, you can see I've got US dollar tether in there. I can now go forward and hit up my perpetual swap list, and then I can go and trade with that $4,000 capital that I have in my trading account. It's such a simple platform to use, and I do love the functionality. It's easy to find everything from staking to savings to moving funds from spot across into your margin trading. It's all under one roof. It's very simple and very intuitive. It's kind of like using an iPhone. I hope you enjoy the OKX platform. Sign up for your account and join millions around the world taking advantage of this fantastic tool. Till next time, bye for now.